Something very special about exploring these old trackways in the dark. And beautiful crescent moon just about making an appearance up there. I very rarely use a light when it's this sort of half light or nearly dark. Wal Mynydd, or the mountain wall, and this is what divides the enclosed land that you would have as small fields surrounded by dry stone walls that belonged to your small holding or cottage, and then this side of the stone wall is the open mountain land that is common grazing, shared grazing rights. But the other side of Wal Mynydd, or the mountain wall, that's where all the land is enclosed by those stunning stone walls. So always important to keep your Wal Mynydd in good condition so that your stock doesn't wander onto the mountain at times where it's not supposed to be there. A bit higher up on the mountain now, utterly beautiful, and it's getting quite cold up here, quite windy. Higher up we've gone a little bit above where the button is, so we're going to turn around and head back down towards the cottage now. I've had my stunning views for this evening. Well, that's it. We're back at the button. Ah, it's going to be nice and cosy in there. No star.